Hi, I've been experimenting with different lighting. These are all the same chili plant, and this one was grown just using red light, and it's got very little soil in it. So it's not that it's got the most soil or the most nutrients, that's why it's grown. Just red lights for this one. Taking them out now just to show you. This one has just been growing 70% red, 30% blue light, and this one has been growing just with blue light. Experiment different ways. So this thing here, put onto that with extra blue light coming from it. Also cutting out the lenses of 3D glasses, red and blue. I read about this a few weeks ago, and it's been made a bit more public after BBC Harvest programme. But as you can see, you're getting different heights from different colours, all the same plant, and it's pretty interesting really, so give it a go. The red seems to give a lot more foliage and height. Might work different with different plants. What I didn't realise as well, which was on the documentary, the BBC Harvest documentary, which I've just been made aware of yesterday, is that the nutrient content of plants can be determined or altered by if it's got more red light, blue light, or natural sunlight. So there's a lot going on here. On what I might do as well for the microgreens I've got growing downstairs is use natural light during the day, and then just cut a piece of red out again and stick it here, and it'll just give some more red light. But I'll show you else what I'm going to do in 1 second. Okay. What I've been experimenting is how to make the light last longer. So these are like lights from the garden, solar lights. Now if this was up here like this with the colour lighting or the colour strip underneath it, and I got this one here, and I can wrap some colour strip down the bottom end. Now when this is fully charged and that's fully charged, when it goes darker, this will turn on, the top one, and shine its light down here, which means this light won't come on until this light has finished its power, and then this light will come on, and that's basically going to give you what will give me at least 8 hours of this type of light here, which is great. So I've got with a combination of sunlight and this light, it's going to be light most of the time, and I can experiment with the red and blue and see what else happens. But this is my little experiment here, and for most of the time it was just using red and blue lighting, and this one got a mixture of both. They did have some natural light as well, but mostly just the red and blue. I was trying to give them as much as possible. It's difficult to do unless I've got like a completely enclosed dark room and stuff like that, which I haven't really got, but it's an interesting thing. But please experiment with it. Yeah, just a little bit more information. The guy that invented the LEDs, he's doing a lot of the work at the moment with what red, blue and natural light affects a plant, and what nutrition and what taste aspects is retained or is produced by the plant. We've got here, so that's the LED there at the bottom, and that's the solar panel there at the top. The way I've been doing this is it's getting 4 to 5 hours of natural light per day each plant. In fact, probably not even that, because the weather's not been that great, but somewhere around that anyway. And then it's getting about 4 hours of complete shade, and then the rest of the time I fit these with the red or blue lights. This one's got a blue light here as soon as it shines through, so it's getting like blue light there at night, I also fit a couple of lights at the back that I'm charging up down there, the ones with more with the colour strips already on them. So I move them from here, the lights in the morning, to the back in the evening, so they like the charge up more fully. I'm putting the red ones over here, a little red one here and another blue one there. So this one's getting like red and blue mixture, this one's getting more blue, and this one's getting nearly entirely red, and that's it. Lights, and this is the one that's grown really tall with minimal soil in there. It's a very small pot. I haven't got to the taste aspect yet. This chili plant hasn't even got any chilies growing yet. This has got a few flowers on it there, and this one has got more flowers. None of them are actually developing a chili as yet, I don't think. Nope. So this one's definitely got the most chilies growing on it, and the tallest. This one's, the mixture of the red and blue is the healthier looking plant, but with leads chilies on it. And this one is just blue and it's not looking very good. And this one does actually get quite a bit of sunlight compared to the others as well, because the sun pans in through there and kind of gets blocked off after that point. So they all get roughly the same, but this gets a lot of the morning light where the other ones don't. But it's a pretty good test anyway. But there's something going on, you can see with that. So have fun anyway and muck about with it, and check out the BBC programme, the Harvest programme documentary, and hopefully give you a bit more insight on this. Right, take care and bye.